Hello everyone. Please join me for a 5-minute demonstration of not only the most innovative forming system at the show, but also a lucrative business opportunity. My name is Lana. In a moment, we'll actually be conducting a live competition between myself and Brian, a typical contractor at a remote Southern California location. You guys are going to get to witness a live demo right here, right now, showing you how you can easily form a decorative concrete column with CFT's column cast system in far less time and expense than with standard forms. Now, for those of you that were here last year, you may remember that the column cast won the Expert's Choice Most Innovative Product Award for 2009. The inventor of the system was not a manufacturer. He was a contractor, just like many of you, who saw the need for a better way to form a decorative concrete column that saves you time and money. You can offer your customers more diversity and style options than ever before, resulting in far greater profits. And we're talking big cost savings. Why don't we begin the demo? We're going to be conducting an actual competition between two of my colleagues that are using the column cast system and Brian, who's an on-site contractor who's using a typical job-built forming process. Although there are countless applications for the column cast in commercial and residential, retrofit and new construction markets, this assignment will be to simply replace a rotting wooden patio post. Nearly every house has a patio, and every patio averages from 4 to 8 posts, which quickly proceed to rot, split, and decay within about a year or so, leaving the homeowner with two choices. You can repair and repaint, or replace them to prevent collapse or infestation with dry rot, termites, mold, etc., etc. The solution? Few materials are as versatile and maintenance-free as concrete. The lure and durability of concrete goes without saying. As you know, it can also be internally colored, dyed, and stained, or you can leave it to age naturally. And now, the product. The column cast offers you a revolutionary new process that yields all the benefits of a true cast-in-place concrete post or column, utilizing a highly efficient design, which results in unparalleled labor savings while maintaining a clean work site. There's no need for costly power equipment typically used in job-built applications. No table saws, no skill saws, no planers, no hammers, no screw guns, no sawdust, no extension cords, no accidents, no blowouts, no mess, and no noise. Now I'd like to introduce you to my competition. This is Brian, who's joining us from a Southern California job site.
Hey Lana, how's the show?
It's actually great, Brian. Ready to start?
Yeah, just give me about 15 minutes to get the material and set up the equipment. We'll be ready to go.
Okay, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready. As you folks know, it's one thing to build the forms, but that's not the beginning. First, you have to design, take off, purchase, and transport all the materials and the equipment required to produce the finished product. Then, once you've unloaded and set up, you can begin fabrication of the form.
Okay, Lana, we're ready to go.
Why don't you clear your clock so we can begin? And Brian, if you give me just a moment to explain to our audience how this competition will take place. Now, as you guys can see, both of us have a red start button, which will record the elapsed time in each one of our locations. We're going to begin the competition by pressing our start buttons at the exact same time, and then we'll proceed to begin erecting the form. This post design features a base and capital, which are a different shape than the center section. Why don't we get started? Looks like Brian got a little bit of a head start on us. Typically at this point, a steel post or a rebar cage would have been previously installed. But since we're just comparing forming systems here on the show floor, we're going to go ahead and work without it. Guys ready? Okay. Well, first we're going to be sliding out the foam sections out of the protective block that they were shipped in, and we'll stand them up on either side of the pre-installed steel support member. A little tape will help hold those two sections in place. Then we'll set the capital on the center section and insert a carpenter's pencil in the alignment groove. Now this ensures that the capital detail is aligned with the main section detail. Next we'll lift the foam and place the base section. And once again, insert the pencil key. Here's another green benefit. The foam inserts are 100% recyclable, and the chemicals are also 100% biodegradable. And now for the tough part. Let's stand up the column cast jacket, wrap it around the inner form, and the guys will go ahead and fasten the latches. By the way, all the latch hardware is also interchangeable with the different size jackets. Well, I guess that wasn't that tough. All right, our crew is ready to pour. And yet, here's one more green benefit. The jackets are also completely reusable from pour to pour and job to job to accommodate an unlimited array of decorative insert shapes that utilize the same jackets. Well, I'm sure Brian's also going to be done anytime now.
Okay, Lon, we're ready to set our form. How'd we do?
Well, the good news, Brian, is you did great, but the bad news is, once again, we did better. A lot better. There really is no comparison. Based on these results, 6 columns, which would have taken Brian several days to complete, can be completed in just 1 day with a column cast system. You can demo and set all 6 in the morning, pour by noon, take lunch, then return and strip in the afternoon. As you've just witnessed, the column cast system outperforms any other method that's available for post and column forming. On behalf of Kerastar and CFT, thanks for joining us for our demo. If you have any questions, please come on in and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you. Great job.